Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Jay from Vision Miner, and today I am going to show you how to replace a nozzle on a Funmat Pro 410 from Intamsys. Let's get to it. A couple things you're going to need is going to be a socket wrench. One is the 11 millimeter and the other one is a 12 millimeter. The 11 millimeter is going to be for the right side and the 12 millimeter is going to be for the left hand side. All right guys, let's get started. Just make sure that this is not hot. You can go to tune and look at the nozzle, make sure it's 0 so it does not get too hot and burn your hands. Then you would put that on the nozzle itself and then twist it counterclockwise. And there's your nozzle. All right, and for the left nozzle, use a 12 millimeter socket wrench. Once again, turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. Here's another one. And that is how you remove a nozzle from a Funmat Pro 410 from Intamsys.